Elon Musk and Tesla have just revealed the Optimus Gen 2 humanoid robot, and it's promising to do everything, from walking your dog to babysitting your kids. But the big question is, how much will this robot cost? And is it worth the investment? Let's dive in. At the recent We Robot event, Musk unveiled the Optimus Gen 2, claiming it would be a game changer capable of performing everyday tasks, including household chores, interacting with people, and even offering assistance to the elderly or children. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? This robot will do anything. It will be able to help with everyday tasks, and eventually it will become a household staple. Impressive, right? But let's get to the most intriguing part. The price. Musk estimates that the Optimus Gen 2 will eventually cost between $20,000 to $30,000. That's about 16 to 25 lakh rupees. It sounds like a lot, but in comparison to the cost of a car, it's actually pretty affordable for a cutting-edge humanoid robot. On the surface, $20,000 to $30,000 for a robot that could do your laundry, help with groceries, or even walk the dog seems like a great deal. But there's a catch. This is a long-term estimate. Production is still in its early stages, and it could be years before the price hits that sweet spot. Remember Tesla's past projects? We've seen delays with the Cybertruck, and even the highly anticipated Tesla Semi is still a work in progress. So while Musk is confident that the price will come down as production scales, we have to wonder, how much will early buyers actually pay for the first batch of robots? It could be much higher. So what about the robot's abilities? Musk claims Optimus Gen 2 will handle a variety of tasks. But can a $20,000 robot actually do all of this reliably? We've seen Tesla's tech hit bumps in the road before, from software glitches in autopilot to delayed releases. Will the Optimus Gen 2 be another case of over-promising and under-delivering? Tesla has a history of facing delays and technical issues. So even though the concept sounds amazing, we're left wondering if the Optimus Gen 2 will be as reliable as advertised. And let's not forget, not every household is ready to shell out tens of thousands of dollars for a robot, especially if it's still working out its kinks. While Musk sees the robot becoming a household staple, we have to ask, is every household really going to drop that kind of money on a humanoid helper? Especially when the technology is still evolving and might face initial hiccups. So is the Optimus Gen 2 worth the investment? If you're an early adopter and willing to take the risk, it might be exciting to get your hands on the first models. But if you're hoping for a flawless, affordable robot right away, it might be better to wait until the price drops and the technology matures. Would you invest in a $20,000 robot for your home? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more updates on all things tech.